Hi guys, today is a Saturday and traditionally this day belongs to us and we're gonna do dance with you. I'm Delora, take your dancing dress and let's go, we have a new tutorial today. So, what we will do? Till this day we already learned with you few movements, right? Today is tutorial number 4 and we learn with you sliders, chick, 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 chick. We learn with you shimmies, hip shimmy, and Egyptian shimmy, and we learn with you wave and camel, right? So today we will combine all these movements: hip shimmy and slider, hip shimmy and wave, Egyptian shimmy and sliders, and Egyptian shimmy and waves. Let's go. Let's remember, we do a hip shimmy, soft knees, pelvis in, chest up, shoulders back and down, smile, and we work with the knees, we push up our hips, we push, 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 hip shimmy, great. And we start to do slider. Slider we do with the movement our hips to the side and chest to the side. Let's go. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And the next moment we do hip shimmy and we do wave, wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, great. Camel, camel, and it becomes smaller, 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 smaller. And now we do Egyptian shimmies, straight knees, body weight, a little bit in front, a little bit, pelvis in, chest up, shoulders back and down, and smile, and we go shimmy. And shimmy, relax, relax your belly, relax your body. And we go left, left, right, right, 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 left, left, right, right. Continue, shimmy, super, and we do wave, and wave, and wave. And wave. 5, 6, 7, 8, and camel, 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 camel. Smaller shimmy, smaller, smaller, smaller. Great, great. I wish this tutorial was useful for you and you trained your skills again. And today we combine together everything what we learned with you before. Thank you very much for your attention. It was my pleasure to share my experience and knowledge, and see you next Saturday. And one more thing, if you want your belly to move in the shimmy, you should to relax and to take your chest a little bit more in front than your pelvis. In this case, you will catch yourself with the muscles on the back and the belly will be free. Then it will make a movement. So hip shimmy and the relaxed chest. Egyptian shimmy and the relaxed belly.